Welcome to the Math Pages teacher page. Here you choose a topic and then you can see your students' results. I was looking at circle parts. It'll bring us to all the student results for circle parts past 2020. If I wanted to go to today, click on that. There are no student results because nobody did any work today. If I go back a couple of months, there are some student results. Then if we go back to the math pages, the student page brings you to the actual math topics that the students answer questions. But if you want to see your students, here's a list of my students. That's by January 2020. But if I went to today, I've done work. If I go back to the beginning of June, then I'll see a list of all my students. And then if you choose a student, then you can see all of that student's work. And that's it for the Math Pages teacher page. Have a good day.